Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How have you guys been doing? What is up? Welcome to a new vlog. Today is Wednesday. I'm starting this vlog on Wednesday. I know I didn't do anything on Monday and Tuesday that was vloggable. That's why I did not even vlog. My neighbor just put off their gen. God, noise. Anyway, I'm going for a movie premiere today. 2 movie premieres actually. Everybody Loves Jennifer and Wicked. I'm going with my friend, my cinema manager friend Moji. She's on her way here. We're going together. It's at Film 1 is at Film 1 and 1 is at Silverbird. So we're going to 2 locations today. I'm going to take you guys along. Obviously I will not be filming the movie, but yeah, you guys are just gonna come with me, and yeah, let's go, let's enjoy the ride. In case you're new to this channel, I have never introduced myself in my vlogs. I don't think I've introduced myself. My name is Sabena, as you can tell from the title of my channel, from the name of my channel, Sabena's Diary. My name is Sabena. I make vlogs around things I do. Do you understand? So yeah, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, please stay, subscribe, comment, watch all my videos, and yeah, let us go. We have a very good time on this channel, just so you know.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo, go my joy.
So much in my brand and my family. I give thank you to Kadu especially, because they're like, they take that when things go wrong, they're there to correct it. So we thank you. Okay, why did I come up with Jennifer? Everybody else. I've had everybody else Jennifer for over 3-4 years now, but I just felt this is the right time. You understand? And that's the sound God inspires. That's okay. And the cat. And that's all. And the cat comes down from
My name is Toby Martin.
Okay.
My name is Abdullah. I play the role of father. My name is Lassie.
My name is.
So we just finished watching 30 minutes clip of Everybody Loves Jennifer, and guys, Jennifer is who she thinks she is, because that movie, I even got souvenirs. We got a cap, we got, what's this? No, this is not a shirt, this is like his scarf or something, or maybe a bandana or something, then waist bag and shirt. And this is my manager of today.
We got some smart chops.
I
got some period.
No, this movie, when this movie comes out.
I got a mug, a face cap, and a green.
We're going to where now?
We're going to Silverbird
To see another movie.
Wicked.
But that's the Nigerian movie. So you guys, when this movie comes out, watch it. It's worth every penny.
Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him look red like a tomato. If him not dead,
Like to be fight.
Thank you.
I see your twins, my hair with twins. Can someone? Then you interview, see and do the reach.
And now,
tomatoes, no go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes.
So you know you are in the land of Oz. Welcome once again to the Nigerian premiere of Wicked movie. Like I was saying earlier, I'm excited to see every.
No one mourns the wicked. No one cries, they won't return.
Hey guys, it's Thursday today. The premiere yesterday was very fun. Actually, Funke Akidelu's one was not a premiere per se. It was just us watching like 30 minutes clip of the whole movie, and it was fun. It was so fun. That movie, oh my god, Funke Akidelu she knows what she's doing. Like she brings it. Oh my god. She's a big perfectionist. That's what I know, because this movie was perfect, and you guys need to see it when it comes out. I'm going to see the full movie when it comes out, definitely. And the other one was Wicked. That one was the actual premiere, so we saw the full movie and then premiere, and it was nice. It was so nice. We left already late. Anyway, today YouTube called and we are answering. So there's a YouTube event today by 12 on the mainland, and I've never really attended a YouTube event on the mainland before. It's always on the island, so I'm happy they brought this one close to me. I'm happy. So yeah, I'm wearing casual. There was no dress code, so I'm wearing casual, a top, jeans, and this. I went out of my comfort zone to wear this. I'm going with Lillian. Oh, actually, I'm not going with Lillian. She will meet there. She'll go there from her house. So it's about to be a fun day. Let us go, guys. Let us go and have some fun.
You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, she could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never see where you lay.
Your piercings are so beautiful.
We need some people that need seats here. We need some people that need seats here. If you put your hand down. Raise your hand if you're a musical producer. Put your hand down. Raise your hand if you consider yourself a videographer. Put your hand down. Raise your hand, I'm going to go a little further, if you consider yourself a marketing professional. Look at all the hands. Put your hands down. Raise your hand if you consider yourself a PR professional. Look at all the hands. Do you see the power in this room? Can you feel the power in this room? In the year 2020, YouTube embarked on a journey to amplify and empower, and again, to set the tone for the day. Aka is a man who needs no introduction, but for those of you, if you just may happen to live under a rock and not know who this gentleman is, there's no one better to introduce himself than himself. So I would like for you to please, and go as far back and take as long as you want. Talk to us.
I feel like there's things that we can control, and then there's things that we can't control, right? And the tricky thing with things that we can't control is that, especially when we care about those things, it's difficult, right? It's like you have to accept those things. And I speak to a lot of videos to show the videos that people will love the most when they come on the platform. And the second is we want them to leave them satisfied so that they keep coming back to the platform. Short and simple. So we just want people to have a good experience and want to show them videos that are most relevant to them and that they will enjoy on the platform. So that's the purpose of the YouTube algorithm. And so as you can imagine, our systems every day, they're learning from a number of different signals. So we look at, okay, what do people...
Wives round table, Madu and Titi Lion.
No, how many more?
Oh, wait, where's your name? Oasis. All right, Lara Savage. Grown to over 300,000 subscribers in just a short time and 20 million views. Please welcome the one and only Corti EO. She's such an awkward bug. She's just like I was going to tell her to dance just like Ajebo came out, was giving us, but I was like, if we say this one to dance, we'll wait till tomorrow. All right, guys.
Only one and stopped now, and they started making more. A few years when COVID hit, you know, we just closed eye and open my eye again and subscribe. It was 120K pre-COVID. After COVID, like 1 year down the line, 1 million subscribers. You know, people had started to follow the story, and you know, and then we realized that the way the views were coming in were like 15 million views a month, 10 million. This cannot be adults, because it's children that will keep watching and watching. They're like, you know what, let's do something exclusively for the children. And then we set up Jenny and Kenny. Jenny, if you don't know Jenny and Kenny, check it out. It's Jeni and Keni. When we've done with Jenny.
This is my mentor. This is my mentor. And this is baby YouTuber. Yes, you're my mentor. You're going to be coming with me. Hey, come on. Why you only 2 pounds? It's for HD.
Never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get payback. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness. I hurt too much. I lost too much. I lost too much. I hit my clutch and boom. Third day pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence. Give me this function.
Sabena.
Cause you call them hard for me. You're always going on and on. Got it all, ask me why I never leave. I don't go out much, but you should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side, but call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Decide to on the low. Got it all, ask me why I never leave. I don't go out much, but you should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side, but call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Decide to on the low. West side, but call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Decide to on the low. Side, but call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Decide to on the low.
Hello everybody. How you guys doing? What's up? What's happening? Today's Saturday. I have an appointment. I am a professional makeup artist. If you don't know now. I don't think I've said it before on this channel. I even have a full video of me doing makeup on somebody, but that's like an old video. I'll try and leave the link in the box below. But yeah, in case you're new to my channel and you don't already know, I'm a makeup artist. So I have a job this afternoon was supposed to be for 12, but the client changed time to 2. So it's like almost 1 p.m. I'm actually ready. I'm just waiting for the time before I leave my house. Anyway, the event I went to, it was okay. We're going to talk about all that when I come back. So right now I just want to go out and do this makeup, and I'm going to take you guys along. So let's all go. it's the next day. I'm just here to end the vlog and talk to you guys about the YouTube event that we had on Thursday. Yeah, by the way, the sun outside is crazy. I'm just coming back from service and the sun is not smiling. If you're going out this period, please go with your sunscreen. Don't let your face be damaged by this sun. Anyway, the event was good. It was the longest I've ever attended so far. It was about 5 hours or 6 hours. So they started off with talks, basically, you know, telling us how to network, how to grow your YouTube channel, how the algorithm works. Then we had people that are in the game come and like talk to us. We had Aka, we had Koti, we had Ajebo. Then we had some like international YouTube people that came to talk to us. The only thing I really liked about it was that food did not come on time. I mean, we were there for like 6 hours and food came around, yeah, maybe 5:30 p.m. And it was not like the regular kind of YouTube event that we're used to, where they will come and literally serve you anything you want, any amount you want it. You get, it was, we had to hustle for food there, and a bouncer even hit my hand when I was trying to take food. Anyway, but all in all, it was a good event. We had fun, we enjoyed ourselves. Thank you, YouTube. And what's a YouTube event without a package? So they gave us a package. They gave us this cute cup, YouTube Black. They gave us this cute cup that has this, and then you can literally just remove it. It's really nice. It's a mug actually, and this is also detachable. So it was really nice. And they gave us bucket hat. I think this is really cute. They gave us bucket hat. This is it, and it came in a tote bag. Came in a tote bag, you can see. Let them know you are a YouTuber. Tell me you are a YouTuber without telling me you are a YouTuber. Just take this bag anywhere with you. Anyway, yeah, that's the end of this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell your friends and everybody around you about my channel. We have to grow, guys. Please watch my videos, watch everything on this channel, please. I beg you guys. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Next week, actually. I don't know how it's going to be like next week, but I'm definitely going to see you guys. If you have any suggestions, anything you want me to film, any video you want me to film, let me know and I'll definitely do that. Bye, guys.